Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we have a question here which says 2 brackets open y minus 3 brackets close minus 3 brackets open 2 minus y. So this is a simple algebraic expression question. So I'm going to show you how to solve this question systematically. So with this type of question, what we are going to do is expand the bracket. So we have 2 times y giving us 2y and 2 times 3 giving us 6. I took the negative sign because that is the sign attached with this 3. Now we move on to this part. So we have negative here. This part is positive. Negative has a greater power than positive when they meet. So we just take negative 3 times 2 gives us 6. And negative means to get positive. So 3 times y also gives us 3y. Now what do we have? 2y and 3y. So what we are going to do is what? Group like terms. So we write 2y plus 3y on one side, and this 2 negative 6. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. But we took the negatives because integers, when two negative signs meet, we maintain the negative sign. So our final answer can clearly be written as 5y minus 12. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.